Yeah. Wait, yeah, guys. Next. Okay, good afternoon to all of us.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon, Nanda.
Okay. Wow, on this great day, we are always given help. Before that, I would like to thank you for my lecturer of English communication course. And I would also like to thank you for all my friends because you can come today in this Zoom afternoon. Today is very bright, guys, like as my heart. There is say, if you don't know someone, then you won't love them. If you do love them, they will eventually leave you. But guys, that's not our main focus. So let me introduce myself. My name is Nanda Agustia as the moderator today. And my speakers today is Faza as the first speaker and Ernita as the second speaker. Next, my friend Fatlamida and Deni as the third and fourth speaker. My friend, so that our discussion goes well, we will follow this procedure and I, as the moderator, will convey the background today's material and the next will take turns delivering the material. Then we will enter the question and answer session and we only accept 3 questioners. So, guys, the material we bring today is very important in our daily life, especially for a standard or Indonesian citizen. So, let me read the background of today's presentation. Okay. The development of information technology has now experienced a rapid increase. This technological improvement has changed the way people access and consume news. Therefore, the role of media professionalism must be able to make sensational news so that it can keep up with the times. The public must remain careful in reading and choosing the news to be read. Okay, guys, next I will call the first speaker. Why? Because he will explain our topic further this time. For my friend and my first speaker, Faza, this time for you.
Okay, thank you, Nanda. I will explain about the material of a moderator. Okay, as you can see on the side, there is a picture of Najwa Shihab there. Okay. What do you think about the Najwa Shihab? Surely, what is on our mind is the moderator. Well, Najwa Shihab on her television program is such as a moderator with running a discussion forum on television program, namely Mata Najwa. Okay, therefore, it can be defined that a moderator has the duty and responsibility to guide the exchange of ideas between members in the forum. Okay, let's check about the moderator duties. Next slide, Nanda. Okay, guys. Okay, wait. Okay. You can see about the duties moderator. What are the duties of a moderator? One, as the bodyguard, as well as a supervisor in discussion active in a forum. Two, ensure that the discussion or conversation in the forum takes place according to the main topic that has been determined. Three, creating ideas and creating new topics. Four, provide an opening of brief introduction regarding the explanation of the topic that will be discussed in the forum. Okay, I return to Nanda.
Okay, thank you for my speakers, Faza. Okay, guys, the next, my speaker, uh, wait, guys, Ernita. Okay, Ernita, this time for you.
Okay, thank you to the following me to deliver this material. Dear friends, you already know about the reporters, right? A reporter is someone whose job is to gather, search for, write, and deliver news or information to the public. Through, sorry, usually through news media such as television, radio, newspaper, or media. One of the senior reporter in Indonesia is Rosyan Silahi and Najwa. This is a reporter is an profession usually a course of the vision, whose job is to pay accurate news or information about facts that show the real condition or sensitive level of security, to communication and to investigate able to work with and under. Next slide, Nana. And for challenge of the report, they just but there are challenges as a strategy in covering events because they have to depend news on digitally. Continue with the force must be able to complete the coverage and the like picture. 3. Accuracy and fullness of information and cost extra information and pressure. Next slide. Okay, that's all the material present. I will turn into the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Ernita. So guys, next, Hotline Media, this time for you.
Okay, thank you to the moderator. I will return. Here I will continue the material. Definition of newsreader. A newsreader or news presenter is someone who delivers new program on television or radio. The present is prepared by the editorial team with a clear and professional speaking style so that the information is well received by the public. 2 criteria for a credible news presenter. A credible news presenter has 4 main qualities. Number 1, competence, expertise in a relevant field. Number 2, honesty and truthfulness, accurate and unmanipulated information. Number 3, integrity, consistency and professionalism. Number 4, goodwill, delivering beneficial and non-hurtful information. Okay, next I'll return it to the moderator.
Okay, thank you for Hotline Media. So guys, for Danny, this time for you.
Okay, I would like to thank the moderator who has allowed me to explain the last material. Here I want to explain about interviews, news as conversation. Interviews and news as conversation are two important contextual journalism which are closely related, especially in today's digital age. Interviews are the primary information gathering technique in journalism in their process structured around structured conversation. conversation between a journalist or interviewer and the source. The goal to obtain information, perspective, and expertise from the source to be presented to the public. According to Blackham section 1917 said, an intensive verbal communication for the purpose of obtaining information for one party. Stephen Tetzka, 2000, prepared more detailed definition that term interactive communication process between two parties. It is one of whom has a predictable, important purpose and usually involves station and sources. Okay, next slide, Nanda.
Okay.
Next slide. Okay. News call composition, type of interview and effective interview skill. Okay. Effective interview skill, preparation, thorough research on the technical sources in your skill. Good question should be clear, expert, evidence-based. Active listening. The interviewer should focus on what the sources in sharing and ask relevant follow-up questions. Point for verifying information. It is important to verify information obtained from the source witness what hazard sources. Point 5, interview water. Interview what text the interviewer should be honest, fair, and respect the proper of the source. Transparency about the purpose of the interview is also important. Next, Nanda. Next slide. Jerry. Okay. News. News and conversation journalistic that emphasizes two-way intersection between news makers and audiences. It is not just a one-way delivery of information, but also involves the audience in the process of making and discussing news. Yanni Joseph asked reporter in the book Basic Journalism, the right way to write news features by agreed people, article, and editorial. Editorial 2021, but Coral Masterlimin, Yanni Joseph defines news as the leading report and important of interesting factor the audience which disseminated through mass media. Okay, characters of news as composition. character of news composition. There is number one, audience perspective. That audience approach to private comment, share opinions, and even can trick to news creation. Number two, there is interactivity. Social media and other online platforms are shown to facilitate interaction between newsmakers and editions. Point three, transparency. Transparency, the news making process is more transparent, allowing audiences to choose how information is collected and present. Okay, number four, so there is dialogue. Dialogue is created between newsmakers and audience, resulting in a more comprehensive understanding of the issues discussed. Okay, there's point two, applications of news computation. Application of news computation, there is social media, comment platform, live streaming. Point number three, collections of news as computation. Collections of news as computation, there is point one, there is build-up, point two, comment management. Point three, there is two adjectivity. So interviews quite important right news as conversation. Begin the editions interviews. For example, through live or online session, journalists can create dialogue and build closer relationship with the readers. Information offline from interview can be shared down social media platform and discussed further with the audience, creating a dynamic feedback cycle. However, it is important for journalists to remain critical and verify information obtained from the audience to avoid the spread of misinformation. Okay, that's all my explanation. I will return it the moderator.
Okay, thank you for Denny. So, next, Faza, this time for you.
Okay, thank you, Nanda. I will explain about material citizen journalism. Okay, according to Bauman and Willis, citizen journalism is a citizen who actively participates in the process of collecting, reporting, analyzing, and disseminating news and information. Nah, conclusion about the citizen journalism. Citizen journalism is the activity of ordinary citizens who are not professional journalistic, who gather information in the field about events, make claims, write, and report the results on social media. Okay. Do you see the pattern side right? Okay. That is the pattern when citizen journalism share information with the public. Nanda, slide. citizen journalism. Citizen journalism. No.
Why?
Di atasnya. Oke. Nah, oke. This pattern, step 1, information, step 2, share, and step 3, no. Okay, the danger of this pattern is that unknown people can create hoax information that can result in misinformation. Okay, thank you about Nanda. I will return to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Fajar. Next, this is Ernita or Hotlamida. This time for you.
Okay, Linda, thank you, Drama Master, for all the material again. Okay, continue by extending this institution. This institution is a set of break and of this delivery concrete from the public. Those investigation by the characteristics new season is based on age and strong narrative and physical signs. One based on strong traits and data in Egypt and the three on positive health. Like okay, context of this indication is just one is highly blurred immersion and portrait for its conduct, three enhances media activity or promote social things, and the weakness of this indication are one in probably explaining or philosophy to find creativity and Paul that always attractive all readers. Explain that. Okay. That's all the material about explaining this investigation.
Okay. Thank you for Ernita. So, definition podcast, please. Hotlamida, this time for you.
Okay, thank you, Nanda. Here I will continue the material. Definition of podcast. A podcast is a digital audio or video file uploaded to the internet that can be listened to or watched anytime using devices like smartphones or computers. Advantage or podcast over traditional communication. According to Byrne, podcasts have several advantages. Number 1, accessible anytime and anywhere. 2, low production cost. 3, available to anyone with internet access. 4, easy to use through apps like iTunes. Types of podcasts. Number 1, basic podcast, example audio only, MP3. Number 2, enhanced podcast, example audio with image or slide, M4A, M4B, and PDF. Number 3, podcast, example audio and video podcast, MP4 or MOV. Okay, Nanda. Next, I'll return it to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Hotlamida. So guys, we open the Q&A. Please, my friend, give your question. Okay, Kela, please give your question.
Okay, thank you to the moderator. I Kela from Group 5 wanted to ask, what is the difference between the role of a moderator and a Paja and a master of ceremonies or MC in a discussion forum, and why is it crucial to understand this distinction? Thank you. I return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Kela. Please write in the column Zoom. Okay. So, guys, is there any more? Come on, guys. Give your question. Okay, if no one asks if no one asks on question, we'll close the question session. Please give me. Oh, sorry. Please give me just a moment. Please be kind, my friend. Okay, thank you, Kela, for your question. So, for Faja, this time for you.
Okay, I will try to answer Kayla's question. About the question, Kayla, what is the difference between the role of a moderator and a master of ceremony, aka MC, in the discussion forum, and why is it crucial to understand this dissension. Okay. My answer. If the moderator is usually the one who hosts a discussion forum about economic, politics, and current events. Meanwhile, the MC is usually the one who hosts wedding event, show, which are usually formal in nature. Okay, thank you. I return to Nanda Agustia.
Okay, Sheila. Wait. Okay, Sheila, do you recognize the answer?
Okay, well, I can accept the answer from the group of two. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So, guys, let me read conclusion of today's presentation. So, the role of media professionals, including interviewers, moderators, narrators, podcast reporters, and investigative journalists, is critical in shaping public discourse and informing citizens. Effective communication, critical thinking, and ethical reporting are essential skills for these professionals. So maybe that's all I want to say. We group 7